Hey everybody, how's it going? Today we're going to be going over and showing you how to install the CURT Pop-In Gooseneck Hitch ball kit here on our 2019 GMC Sierra 3500. So this is everything that comes in your kit, starting out with our nice hard carrying case here. So this is what we're going to keep all of our components in when we're not using them. So we have a nice durable case here that we're going to be able to store inside the vehicle. There's also a carrying handle as well. So I really like this case here, and make sure you keep track of everything and it's in one place so you know where it is when you need it. And then next we have our main component here, which is our 2 5/16 inch gooseneck hitch ball. Now there are some other different sizes, but 2 5/16 is the industry standard by far, so the vast majority of gooseneck trailers are going to use this. And it has a nice chrome plated finish here, so it's going to protect everything from rust and corrosion. Now on the side here, we're going to have our safety chain loops. So these are what we're going to install into the pucks, and it's going to provide an attachment for your safety chains on your trailer. And then last but not least, we have a nice little cover here for the gooseneck hitch ball opening in the center of our truck bed when we're not using it, to keep everything nice and protected. Now in regards to weight capacity, our kit is going to provide us with a 38,000 pound gross trailer weight rating. So that's going to be the amount we can pull outward on our fully loaded trailer. Now keep in mind, this is going to exceed the capacity of the vehicle there, so you shouldn't have any concerns whatsoever about your hitch ball being the weakest factor of your towing setup. So now that we've gone over the kit a little bit, let's go ahead and show you how easy it is to get installed. Now keep in mind, this kit is specific for models that have the factory PET package or the puck system. We'll show you what that looks like in a second. If you don't have that, you'll have to purchase an extra underbody kit, which we do carry here at eTrailer. So here's what the prep package looks like. So there's going to be 4 pucks, one on the outside edge here, and then we have our center gooseneck hitch ball opening. Once we've determined that we do have this, we're going to go ahead and install our gooseneck hitch ball. So in the center of the hitch ball, you're going to see we have a little tab here. So we're going to flip that up and rotate it in either direction, sort of out of this valley. And that's going to lock our locking mechanism open so we can install it. So once we have it turned to either direction here, we're just going to drop it right in place. And then we're going to rotate our lever back over into the channels or the guides there. It should drop back down, and now it's going to be locked into place. Now we're going to be installing our safety chain loop. So keep in mind, these go into the pucks closest to the tailgate. So this is how they're going to come in your kit here. You're going to release this linch pin, pull that out, and then pull your hitch pin out. Then we're going to be placing the little knob here into the prep package. So it's only going to go in one way. And then we're going to rotate it so the open end of the hook is facing towards the tailgate, just like that. And in the back side here, we're going to follow this up with our hitch pin, press that all the way down. Then we'll re-secure our linch pin, just like so. And now if we try to pull up, we'll see it's locked into place. So that's the installation process, pretty simple. And when we're ready to remove everything, it's equally as simple. We're again gonna release the locking mechanism from our hitch ball by just lifting up this center tab and then rotating it in either direction. We'll just lift straight out. Now I do wanna make a note of something. When you're not towing a trailer, you want to go ahead and remove your hitch ball unless you have a tonneau cover, because when water, dirt, and debris gets in between the channels here and in between the gooseneck hitch, it's going to rust the hitch ball. I don't care how quality the hitch ball is. We've seen this time and time again, people leaving their hitch balls in the truck bed when they're not towing, they're getting rained on and then becoming stuck. So I really don't want you guys to have that same hassle. So I do highly recommend you remove this when you're not towing unless you have a tonneau cover. That's sort of why they give us that nice carrying case, so we can keep it in. But once we have the hitch ball removed, we'll go ahead and remove our safety chain loops. So we're just going to pull out on this linch pin here, slide that out, slide our hitch pin out, and then we'll rotate this to pull straight out. Now we'll just go ahead and do that in the other side. Throw everything in your carrying case, and then we'll reinstall our rubber plug. And now once we have that in there, that's going to do it today for our look and installation of the CURT Pop-In Gooseneck Hitch Ball Kit here on a 2019 GMC Sierra 3500.